What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I have the Redcat Machete 6S. Today I'm running my Machete, but I'm running it on these Proline Badlands MK38 HPs. These tires, I could not find a place for these tires on none of my other vehicles. I want to see how it's going to work on this one. As usual, I got white lights in the front and red in the back.
Ready.
Oh yeah. They might have found a place. Damn. I need to do something with the suspension because I really don't want it to bottom out. Yo, this is the factory system moving like this. Let me fix the front. Yo, this thing is a beast. Machete is pretty good. I haven't had any problems with it. Running these on two 9,000 milliamp HL, 120 C a piece. These tires are a little heavy. Oh yeah, I was wondering would it make it wheelie. Yeah, these tires will make it wheelie now. Yo. And they wider too, so they much wider. They're a little off balance, as you can see, because these ain't brand new tires. These tires are not brand new. This was the beginning of Redcat changing their game plan. Oh my God. Grass wasn't so high. Oh, you know how many times I flipped this car? Well, I did flip it a few times, but still. That grass is way too high. We had a real summer this year, y'all. Yeah, this summer was hot. No good, I mean, it has a few good releases. Perfect. Boom. Yeah, this thing is a rocket. I haven't drove this in like almost a year probably. Well, no, I rode around when the Valkyries came out. I had a comparison video with the TR. This is where I'm gonna be able to hammer on it. It looks so lopsided. I think my wing is lopsided. Now this thing is a pure menace. Should have called it a menace instead of machete. These tires are heavy. And how many times have you ever seen a machete do a wheelie? These tires, they will. Oh, that looks stripped out, and it is. Yo, let me see if I can find my lug. Yeah, I stripped it out, but got a little bit of meat on there still, but barely. I'm gonna try to throw it back on and see what I can do, so I'll be right back. Yeah, my connectors kept coming loose. I had to tighten it up. These little pins, and that's a little, yeah, let's take a little force. See them little pins right there? You gotta spread them open a little bit sometime. Like when it heats up, that's when you see it. It's pretty hot, so I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit. Let me see. Oh no, you alright. You is okay. Yeah, the thing I like about the machete, I never overheated the system. It's not overpowered. It's just right. Like if the fans was a little more powerful, it would stop heating, but it don't overheat. But I don't know if that's a me thing or is all of them like that. I think I put up the BEC up so the fans work a little harder. And I run them hard. I run them hard. I definitely do run it hard. And I never had any problems with it. The only problem I ever had was when I washed the car out, I got the receiver wet. Other than that, no problems. And I broke the front A-arm in the beginning of my beginning of my journey. All right, let's get right back into some running the badge because I had a whole footage that I did not record, but that's beside the point. So yeah, but I stripped out the hub. Still got a little bit of life left. How much life? I don't know. I almost lost complete control. I'm gonna kill the battery before I get back to the car. Pure animal, if I may say so myself. Done. Yeah, it look like it's coming off. Let's see. I had a nice little jump there, man. I'm gonna just show y'all that jump, then I'm done. It's not the jump I had, but perfect. Boom! You know that knocked the battery loose. Well, I guess the tire's all right. Yo, these boulders back here. You know me, I don't know how to stop. Damn it! I had to leave my ramp home. I did it on purpose though, because I know me, if I got my ramp, I'm gonna jump it, and this car is not really ready to be jumped. The suspension is too loose, it bottoms out at the drop of a dime, so I know with that, definitely would have bottomed out. Let me get over here and do some dirt action. Whoa. Yo, but look, these tires definitely they gonna get kept on here. I tried them on a couple rigs, and I like it on this rig a little better than the rest of them. But hope you enjoyed that video. More coming soon. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.